Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Abdus Salam, and my dear viewers, you are with me for a long time. It is really great to think about the natural view of night, especially in Rajshahi. If you follow the night view from the top of a high-rise building, you will find that all the things are arranged in a systematic way. The top buildings and the green trees are very nice to look at. Everything seems that it's a dark city, but here and there are some lights, and they indicate that it is night. It is night, but the overall view is wonderful to look at. What a ex, ex, extraordinary, and what an extraordinary phase of the night view at Rajshahi. Now you can see that the lights are very nice, and it all the things have created a wonderful view, especially for the people who follow this town from the top of any buildings or from any high-rise buildings. When we will go to the shopping mall or shopping center, we find the roads only. The roads are jam-packed and very nice. But if we go through a high-rise building, we follow the top of the high-rise building, we can easily understand that what a wonderful view of it. It is a road. It seems that it is flood lighted because all the roads of Rajshahi cities are enriched with the lights which are too much different from the other cities of the country. Even now we can easily define that Rajshahi is the topmost city of Bangladesh, and even it is one of the best and most beautiful cities in the world. People from different areas come here to enjoy the real views of Rajshahi town. And some rich people or some business magnate come to Rajshahi to purchase lands and purchase the flats to lead their life happily and peacefully in Rajshahi, because they know it's a peaceful city. You do not find jam packed all the time. You can easily move around the city within 30 minutes. So it is really a wonderful view of Rajshahi. The roads are too much clean. The roads are too much neat and clean, and all the buildings are arranged in a systematic way. The vehicles are running smoothly. So people are very happy here. And they enjoy a smart life in Rajshahi. At present, the city mayor has decorated Rajshahi in a special way. So it is undoubtedly a magnificent view. Now the night, the full moon, it's a beauty. The full moon is a beauty in the night sky, and we can easily understand what a nice view the night and the environment of Rajshahi has created. So, my dear viewers, follow this from the beginning to the end. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will enjoy the video.